welcome back to my channel. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome. My name is Omabolaji, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to take a proper and accurate body measurement. So I'll be starting the beginner series tutorial. So the first episode will be how to take a proper body measurement from head to toe, what you need to do, the measurements you need to take in order to make your outfit, and that's what I'll be showing you guys today. So stay tuned, make sure you watch the video to the end, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you get to know anytime I drop new videos, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So to take accurate body measurement, you start from the length. So the length depends on what your client wants or what you want. So it's either you go for short length or long length. So I'm not going to be showing you that because it's really depends on what you want. So after that, you take the bust circumference. So for the bust circumference, what it simply means is that it's your round bust. It goes like from here all the way to the round. And when you are taking your bust circumference, you place your tape measurement round like this. And you just take one finger inside like this, just to make sure it's not too tight and it's not too loose. That is how to take the bust measurement. After the bust measurement, you go to the under bust. So for the under bust, it's right straight under your bust here like this. So you place your tape measurement and you go. Same thing as your one finger should be inside the tape measurement. Don't put two fingers, because if you put two fingers, it might make the outfit to be too loose. So you just place your one finger inside like this. And that is how to take the under bust measurement. And for the upper bust, which is also the chest area, you repeat same thing. You bring your tape measurement like this and you measure. So we have the chest area, which is the upper bust, the bust, and also the under bust. After that, you come to the waist. So for the waist, you place it on the abdomen or 1 inch above the abdomen. Depends. If you are taking measurements of the upper waist, it comes here, just like 2 inches below your under bust measurement. So that's for the high waist. And for the lower waist, it comes straight on your abdomen. That is how to measure your waist measurement. And then, so to get your half length measurement, which is also known as the shoulder to the waist measurement, so you place your tape measurement on the shoulder here like this, on the shoulder here like this, and it goes straight to the waist. So for the shoulder to waist, it's either you bring it up from the abdomen 2 inches upward or 1 inch upward. Depends. If the person is plus size, you bring it to 1 inch upward your abdomen. But if the person is it's smaller, like a small size, you bring it 2 inches upward above your abdomen. That is how to measure your shoulder to the waist. And the shoulder to the under bust, you place the tape measurement on the shoulder, and then you come straight right to the under bust like this. And that's how to measure the shoulder to waist and shoulder to the under bust. And for the back length, you place your tape measurement on the shoulder, and it just comes straight to where you want it to be. It will be like few inches before your hip measurements. Then you place your back length like this. Now for the back, it depends. If the person is, some people are short at the back, like the back is a bit shorter than the front. So you just have to make sure that you are following the body size. This is just the basic measurements for all bodies and all figure. So for your hip circumference, you come to the bigger side, which is the biggest size of your band. That is where you take the hip measurement. So you bring your tape measurement from here like this to the biggest size, and you measure it round like this. So that is how to measure the hip circumference. And after that, you measure the shoulder. So for the shoulder, there is a bone here and this side. So if you are taking your shoulder measurement, you place your tape measurement from that bone this side to to the next bone here, like this, and you just cross it like this, and that's how to take your shoulder measurement. After that, you measure the length. So for the sleeve length, you come to that bone where the joint is, you place your tape measurement, and you measure, depends on how long the person wants the length to be, the sleeve length to be. So we have the short length, we have the long length, and we have the 3/4 length. So long length, short length, and the 3/4 length. So you measure your biceps, your forearm, which is here, and then your wrist. After that, you come to the armhole. You place your tape measurement round like this. You make sure it's a bit loose. That is how to measure your armhole measurement. So that's that. I will show you guys in my next video how to cut out armhole on the fabric. But that's that about the sleeve area. And then, so if you are making a trouser, you place your tape measurement, depends on if the person wants the low waist or high waist. So that depends. If it's a high waist, you place your measurement few inches above your abdomen, and you measure the length of your trouser. After that, you measure the inseam. So your inseam measurement is from here to the down. So you place your tape measurement there to the length, to the desired length of the person. This is for the inseam, and for the outseam, you place your tape measurement here. It's also same thing as the length of the trouser. So you place it down. Then you measure the thigh. You measure the calf, which is here. The calf is this side. You measure the calf, and then you measure the ankle. So this is the ankle. So after that, we are done with our measure. That's basically it on how to take a proper body measurement. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you get to know anytime I drop new videos. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.